In today's digital world, every click, every login, every system is a battleground. Meet Tanuja, a diligent IT administrator, busy securing the company's LDAP server. Everything seemed normal. It was the calm before the storm.
On the other side of the globe, lurking in the shadows, is Sabi, the most skilled attacker, watching, waiting for the perfect moment. Sabi, a name whispered in fear across cybersecurity circles. A man who has breached government servers, toppled multi-million-dollar corporations, and left a trail of chaos in his wake. His tools? Exploits, vulnerabilities, and a sharp mind honed by years in the cyber world. He had spent the last week scouring the internet for servers vulnerable to the Log4j vulnerability, a zero-day exploit that had recently shaken the cybersecurity world.
Meanwhile, Tanuja is busy in patching the server. She had read about the vulnerability just last week and had been meaning to patch the servers. But with the holiday rush, she missed few patches.
Finally, LDAP server is patched. Now I just need to double check the logs.
Sabi, a skilled but shadowy attacker, launched an Nmap scan on the target network. With precision, he combed through the results, analyzing the open ports exposed to the world. His eyes narrowed as he spotted something unusual. An unknown port stood out. Diving deeper, Sabi began to investigate. His analysis revealed a critical detail: this mysterious port was hosting an LDAP server, a potential gold mine for exploitation. The gears of his plan began to turn. The stage was set, and Sabi was ready to exploit the vulnerability lurking in plain sight.
Log4j vulnerability. Unpatched LDAP server. This company never saw it coming.
Sabi knows that the Log4 shell exploit is his golden ticket. With a few commands, he injects malicious code. Within minutes, Sabi had infiltrated the system, gaining a critical foothold. He wasted no time deploying ransomware, locking down essential files with powerful encryption. Simultaneously, he began exfiltrating sensitive information, extracting valuable data from the compromised servers. The attack was swift, calculated, and devastating. He reveled in his accomplishment, knowing he had gained control and access to critical systems.
Let's see how much data they have got. Boom! Server compromised. Yes! I got it.
For Sabby, this was just another step in his digital conquest. A sly grin spreading across his face. The server was compromised. The attack a complete success.
Oh my god. What just happened? Our server breached? How did they even get in?
Tanuja sat at her desk, staring at the flashing alerts on her screen. The realization hit her like a wave. Her server had been compromised. Her mind raced with questions. How could this happen? Could it have been prevented? The weight of responsibility bore down on her, leaving her tense, frustrated, and deeply saddened.